Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the trim material and locating any hidden fasteners. This affects adhesives and heat settings. Remove panels with plastic pry tools to avoid scratches and use a slow, steady pull so clips don't break. Once panels are loose, label and bag hardware for reassembly. If paint or finish exists, test a small area with adhesive remover and heat to see how it reacts. This saves time and prevents mistakes later. You now deep clean each piece to remove oils and old polish so new coatings adhere. Repair cracks with plastic weld or a 2-part epoxy because structural fixes prevent future failure. Once cured, sand from 800 grit to 2000 for a feathered finish. After sanding, wipe with tack cloth, then apply primer designed for plastics or vinyl. This improves paint bonding. Make sure to use adhesion promoter if painting. It prevents peeling when exposed to heat. You finish by applying color or clear coats in thin, overlapping passes to avoid runs, allow flash time between coats, and cure per manufacturer instructions to reach full durability. Once cured, reassemble panels in reverse order, replacing any brittle clips and ensuring alignment to prevent gaps. If you encounter adhesion failures, stop, scuff the area, reprime with the correct product, and use an adhesion promoter. If damage persists, replace the trim piece to avoid recurring issues and ensure a professional result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.